New York City, United States, January 20, 2025. Sunday's winter storm dumped anywhere from an inch to a half-foot of snow across the tri-state. Central Park reported 1.6 inches of snow. Highest totals included more than 8 inches in Highland Mills, New York, and nearly 6 inches in Ringwood, New Jersey. The snow and cold prompted a speed limit reduction to 25 miles per hour on the George Washington and Bayonne bridges after they were salted, according to New York City Emergency Management.
First snow, New Year. Today is January 19.
The Arctic storm also caused bus delays in Manhattan, the Bronx and Brooklyn, the agency warned. The storm also forced a speed limit reduction on the George Washington and Bayonne bridges to 25 miles per hour because the roads were covered in salt, according to New York City Emergency Management. Buses in Manhattan, the Bronx and Brooklyn experienced delays due to the weather, the agency warned. Meanwhile, more than 700 Cone customers were without power Sunday night.
Or transfer at Queensboro Plaza to the Maximum N or W train.
Ahead of the storm, the agency issued a winter weather advisory through 4 a.m. Monday, warning of low visibility and snowfall rates of nearly an inch per hour at peak. The National Weather Service said 3 to 5 inches of snow were expected to fall in 5 counties overnight. As much as 6 inches could fall in some areas, meteorologists said. The snow began falling Sunday afternoon, with a little sleet mixed in. As temperatures dropped, the precipitation turned to full-blown snow by evening and was expected to continue through the night.
Transfer at 74th Street Broadway to Manhattan E, F, or R train.
As of 7 p.m., there was less than an inch of white clouds covering Central Park, according to National Weather Service meteorologist David Rodale. That number is going to increase as the snow continues to fall here over the next few hours, Rodale predicted. Just across the border in Newark, they're getting 1.6 inches of snow, and it's still coming down. At the same time, areas north and west of the city saw 5 to 8 inches of snow, with Orange County, New York, recording the heaviest accumulations. Rodale is forecasting 2 to 3 inches of snow for the city, though he noted totals could vary across the 5 boroughs. And while temperatures remained in the mid to low 30s Sunday afternoon, they were expected to drop into the teens overnight. By 7 a.m. Monday, the temperature was expected to reach 9 degrees. Rodale warned the low temperatures would lead to a freeze and the snow would be slow to dissipate. The last time at least 5 inches of snow fell in Central Park was in January 2022. During that time, only a small amount of snow was recorded in the 5 boroughs. Coastal Connecticut and Long Island, as well as areas farther inland, are expected to see 5 to 7 inches of snow. The Hudson Valley, North Jersey and southern Connecticut are also expected to see colder temperatures. In Hartford, temperatures are expected to drop to 7 degrees Monday morning, with a low of -3. In Andover Township, NJ, temperatures are expected to drop to -9. New York is just one of many areas across the country facing frigid temperatures and precipitation throughout the week.
জানি না শেষ পর্যন্ত কি হয়, শুরু হয়েছে কিছুক্ষণ আগে।
A massive Arctic air mass, caused by a disruption in the polar vortex, could reach as far south as Louisiana and Mississippi. The National Weather Service issued cold weather warnings from Montana to the Florida Panhandle. In northern Minnesota, temperatures had already dropped below -20 by Sunday afternoon. Meanwhile, parts of New England are expected to receive up to 10 inches of snow Sunday into Monday.